Motivation is like a spark. It lights up for a moment but fades away quickly. Discipline, that's the fuel that keeps the fire burning. Imagine this: one day you wake up full of energy, ready to chase your dreams. But the next day, you feel lazy, no motivation, no drive. That's where 99% of people fail, because they wait to feel like doing it. Successful people, they don't wait. They do it even when they don't feel like it. Think of a boxer training for a fight. He doesn't just train when he feels like it. He trains every single day, bruised, tired, even in pain. Why? Because discipline beats motivation every time. If you only act when you're motivated, you'll never be consistent. And without consistency, you'll never win. Discipline is waking up early even when your bed is warm. Discipline is working out even when you feel weak. Discipline is studying even when distractions are calling your name. So stop relying on motivation. Build discipline, because motivation will fail you, but discipline will make you unstoppable.